Okay, I'm able to record the screen. Now I'll share my screen. Okay, you guys can see my screen.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys can see my screen. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
So how are you both?
Yeah, doing good.
What's the timing there, Karthik? Now
It's 3:30 p.m. It's 3:30 p.m. Like we are four. It's 3:30 p.m.
3:30 p.m. Okay, fine.
We are
That's fine.
4:08. Yeah, yeah,
So you are comfortable with this timing, right?
yeah, yeah. This time works for me. Yes.
Okay. Okay. So last week we had a demo, and in demo I discussed this plan for weekly basis, right? And today is your first class, both of yours, and we will cover these topics. Like we are going to cover the Java basics first, then we'll see some basics of Selenium as well. Okay. So in Java basics, we'll see the introduction part of Java, and in Selenium also the introduction. So basically today is mostly on theoretical part, so that once the theoretical knowledge is cleared, then you can get to know about how we are implementing these things in practical way, right? So that we are going to cover today. Got it? Okay. Okay. So first thing is what we are going to learn today is about introduction of Java. Okay. So under introduction of Java, one more thing we'll learn is uh, why Java is required for automation. Okay, that is the main thing, because wherever you go, you are hearing that thing like, for automating, we need a programming language, either it is Java, Python, C Sharp, okay, any language. So why these languages are required to automation, for automation, and what is Java actually? So any idea what is Java? Yeah,
It's
anyone?
a programming language. It's a
Bit,
programming language.
can you please bit louder?
It's a programming language.
Okay, what else?
Object-oriented.
Okay, object oriented programming language. Any idea about what is object oriented?
So earlier in C, C++, we had limited data types, right?
Uh-huh.
So to overcome that, in object-oriented, we can design different types of data types, right? I mean,
Right. Okay, so fine. So before Java, there are and more languages are built like Perl, then C++. These languages are there, but after that, Java came into picture. So why these all? The what is the advantage of Java over C, C++, Perl, these languages, that you can use this language anywhere, any system. If you're writing the code in C, C++, or a Perl or any language, right? So let us say I'm writing the code in my system. I cannot use that code in your system. So that was the challenge the coders were faced that time. Okay, so I cannot use it. So it's not reusable code. So that's why Java comes in picture. So Java is like write code anywhere, any system, and use it in anywhere, any system. So that is the main advantage of Java. Okay, so it's basically a high level Java is basically a high level and object oriented, that's what you said, oops, object oriented programming language, and it is widely used in automation. Because let because why it is used widely? Because the syntaxes is very very easy to understand, and for a beginner, as a beginner, you can easily understand the syntaxes, and then you can implement it also easily. So that is the one thing. The second thing is it's very user friendly, and it's a platform independence. Okay, so second thing is it's a platform independence. That's the first thing I can say. Okay, platform independence. What is platform independence means? It means write once and run everywhere. Okay, everywhere or anywhere, I can say. Write once and run anywhere. So that's why it is called platform independence. Okay, so suppose I'm writing in my system the code and I can run it in your system. Okay, how you can achieve this thing, platform independence? How you can achieve? Through a machine. Okay, that is called Java JVM. That is sorry, that is JVM. What is JVM? JVM is a Java virtual machine. Okay, JVM is nothing but a Java virtual machine which runs the bytecode into machine code, converts the code bytecode into machine code in any operating system. Okay, now the question is, what is bytecode and what is machine code? Okay, first thing is, what the language right now we are communicating is English, right? So English is written, you can see whatever I'm writing here is in English and you can understand this. But the system, okay, but the machine is not understanding this language. And if the machine is not understanding this English language, then how can it understand and it gives you the output? Right. So what it does, it converts it into bytecode. Okay, first thing is it converts it into bytecode. What is bytecode? The machine only knows 0 and 1, nothing else. Okay, machine knows only 0 and 1, that is the binary codes, and we use this binary codes. The machine knows only this binary codes. So the compiler, there is something called compiler. Okay, okay, inside the machine we have a compiler. This compiler, what it will do, it will compile in the sense it will convert your bytecode, sorry, your language, that is your English language, to bytecode first. Okay, so bytecode in the sense it will compile it to 0 and 1, that is called the bytecode or the machine level language. Okay, then that through this bytecode it will execute the program, whatever program you are writing, it will convert first, the compiler will convert first, then it will execute the program, then you will see the output. So the output what you are seeing is, again, it is in your language, not in 0 and 1. If it is written in 0 and 1 the output, then you will not understand. Right, human beings, we are understanding English language. Okay, so we can understand 0 and 1 binary codes, but you need to decode it again. Okay, so that's the thing. So that's why compiler is there. Compiler will convert the language from your user level language to bytecode or machine level language. Then it will execute. So this compiler is where it is inside the Java virtual machine, JVM. So JVM is nothing but the it is JVM is nothing but it's a virtual machine which runs Java bytecode on any operating system and gives you an output. Got it? So this is why it is called platform independence, Java language. Okay. The second point is, that is, it's having a strong community and ecosystem. What do you mean by strong community and ecosystem? Because the Java is widely used now, so you can find lots of libraries. Okay, if you are facing some issues while writing the program in internet or in web, if you check for it, you will easily get the solution, because it is widely used and it is built a strong community, so that anywhere you can find the solution of Java. So that's why it is used in the project level, also in real time projects. Okay, so it's having most of the libraries are there, which is open source libraries, means anyone can access that one. And it is having a completely framework support one, means I can say that if you are using any framework, it is having support from the communities as well. Like you are not going to face any challenges. So that's why, because nowadays lots of new languages are coming. So like Playwright is there, Cypress is there. So Playwright is the new one right now. If you see in the market, then you will find that lots of it's buzz about Playwright, say automation through Playwright and all. But if you it's a new thing, it's getting it, okay, fine. But real time project you are using it, that is also okay. But when you are facing any challenge, you will not get that much of support, because it's a very new language, right? So but Java is widely used, and the combination of Selenium with Java anywhere, 90% of the companies follows this only, Java with Selenium. Okay, and the rest 10% will goes with C sharp or Python or Playwright. These all are the new things they are experimenting. And then once they will build of, let us say, the framework they are building in the real time project of 1500 or 2000 test cases, then they will face the challenges that it will not handle properly, that the failures are more. Than what they are doing, they are moving again back to Java. So the rewriting of the code will take a challenge. That's the biggest challenge. Again, the complete 1500 code test cases, whatever automated, again they need to rewrite into Java. So it happens. It happens in the companies. These things are. So that's why once you are building a framework from the class level only, your platform should be very strong. So Selenium and Java is the very strong platform. If you are writing a framework and you are running your automation code in it, then less chance of getting failures. Okay, the framework failures, the script failures is less chance. Okay, so that's the another thing. The third point I'm coming over here, that is called its robustness. What do you mean by robustness? Like syntaxes. Okay, programming language is nothing but it is having syntaxes, variables, data types, these all things. Okay, so it's when you are using Java, it's having a strong type checking. What is strong type checking means? The syntaxes are very strong. It means it will handle in background only, it will handle the code properly. And the handling of the errors is very strong in Java. That is called throw exception handling. We'll learn in our previous sorry our future classes about exception handling. So there I will talk more about exception handling. And then memory management is very good in Java. Okay, so it's all about whatever is program is playing with data, right? We are not playing with only one data or two data, we are playing with thousands of data here. So when you are writing a program using and you are using data over there, so the memory management is the very crucial role. Okay, but Java is managing it very properly. So that's why it is also called robustness. Java is a very robust programming language. Next advantage is integration. Okay, what is integration? Integration in the sense, it's very seamlessly integrates in any tools. Like Selenium is a tool. Okay, Selenium WebDriver, where you are going to integrate Java to write a automation code. Okay, so it's a that's why it is called like very high level ops concept, where it is very easily be integrated in restart to install new. Okay, sorry. Okay, so it is can be integrated properly. That is one thing. And the main advantage is popularity in automation. So we are using it in automation either through Selenium or through APM. What is APM? APM is used for mobile automation. For web automation, we are using Selenium. For mobile automation, we use APM. So there are Java bindings which can be used in web automation also through Selenium, and for mobile automation also through APM. Okay, these are the main points of Java. Why Java is used widely in automation. Okay, so any do you guys understand what I mentioned till now?
Yeah. So I have
Okay,
one question, Rashmi.
yeah.
So let's say if we write one test script for
Mhm.
web version, so same test script can be used for mobile testing as well.
No, same cannot be used, because we are writing web automation code will be on using Selenium, and APM is used for mobile automation. So the scripts will be different. Here we are using locators to find. There also we will use locators, but in a different way. So right now, if you are learning Selenium, in the sense you are learning and you are your training is going on for web application automation, not for mobile automation. Okay, for mobile applications we have APM, that's the other thing. We use APM, we use APIs, that is using rest assured with Java to automate the mobile application. Okay, same framework cannot be used for mobile automation. So you have to create another framework for that. Okay, we'll go ahead. Okay, there are three terms which is widely used when you in Java. Okay, one is JDK, another one is JRE, another one is JVM. So So, okay. So, what is JDK, JRE, and JVM? We'll learn about it. So, first thing is, first I'll tell you about JVM, which I already mentioned. JVM is a Java virtual machine. Okay, what it does, it converts and compiles the Java bytecode into machine code for your operating system. That is the use of Java virtual machine. For this reason only, for Java virtual machine, for this reason only, Java is a platform independence. None other than this language like C, C++, these all are before, whatever languages created before Java is not having platform independence. This is the main advantage of Java. So that is because of this JVM. Okay. Then comes to JRE part. JRE is nothing but Java runtime environment. Okay, so JRE is Java Runtime Environment. It provides the libraries and JVM to run Java program. Okay, what it does, it provides libraries. Okay, any programming language built of multiple libraries. Libraries are nothing but from where you are getting the syntaxes. Okay, so like the rules, I can say in programming language you say it's syntax, but in a layman language you can say rules. Any organization you go, there are some rules are there, basic etiquettes are there. So the same way here the libraries is having syntaxes, and through this syntaxes and JVM, Java runtime environment, what it will do, it will run your Java program. Okay. So another thing is it doesn't include tools to write or compile Java code. Okay. So it will not having any tools. It only used to run your JVM. It is giving a platform, but basically it is giving you a platform to run your programming language through JVM. Okay. Next part is JDK. JDK is Java Development Kit. Okay, JDK is nothing but Java Development Kit. What it is, it is nothing but both JRE, that is the Java runtime environment, plus the tools in the sense compilers, debugger, interpreter. What these all are does, they all are compiles your code. Okay, so if anyone, you both are going as an experience, but I'm saying about the freshers. If a freshers are coming for the interview, the main questions they will ask, what is the difference between interpreter and compiler? Okay, so this is the main questions they ask. Both are working for, both are used for compiling the code. That is the byte codes to machine level, sorry, user level code to machine level code, or byte code it compiles. But there is a one difference for compiler and interpreter. Interpreter compiles codes line by line. It will, compiler will compile through all the codes, it will compile at a time. Okay, so this is the difference. And Java Development Kit is having these tools and plus this runtime environment. It is a combination of these two and makes a kit. Okay, so where these all things are there, these all are when you are going to install Java software in your system. You can see this, it will install JDE, it will install Java runtime environment. Okay, you cannot see JVM. You can see in your kit these two things. When you install exe file, right, you can see that JDK and JRE both. Okay, do you guys having Java in your, install Java in your system?
Yeah, it is there, but it is older version. It's
Okay,
long.
so what we can do is, you both are we will do it now simultaneously. Okay, we'll install Java now. So this is what about the theoretical concept of Java. Now what we do is we will do the JDK installation part and IntelliJ installation. Okay, these two will install today so that we can start practical things simultaneously. Fine. So what you guys do, first, okay. Go to Oracle site, okay? The official site of Oracle. You can do simultaneously. Okay, this is the www.oracle.com. This is the official site. You can go. Okay, so here you can find, search for Java download. So you got Java over here. Okay, Java downloads. We will see the stable version. Okay, now it is JDK 24 is the latest one, but we need the stable version of Java. Okay, did you check this one? You are there in this page now.
Yes, sir.
So, what did you search? I just searched with Java downloads.
Search
Why?
for Oracle. Go to the official website. No.
Yeah, I went to oracle.com. There I searched Java download.
Hmm. So you got this one. So the downloads part, Java downloads part, you should see this screen, Java 24, 21 earlier versions available now. Okay.
I see different page.
Which page you are in? Karthik, you are into this page?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Naveen, do one thing. Again, you go to Oracle. So when you type in search Java download, there is a result is coming. See here. The first one, first result, go to Java downloads. This one. Click there.
Okay, Java downloads. Right. Okay.
Yeah. So it will redirect you to this page. Okay, come down. When it is released, September, Java 24 will receive updates until September. It will be JDK. Okay, we'll go to JDK 21. 24 is a recent one. Let's go to JDK 21. Click here under JDK 21. Okay, so both are using Windows, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I mean,
Okay, so here you have to click Windows. First click on JDK 21, then click on Windows.
yeah,
Yeah, then you can see under Windows, I think you both systems are of 64-bit, right? So x64 installer is there. Okay, second one, x64 installation. Click the download button, download link over here. It will download the exe file.
yeah, downloaded.
Downloaded, you will get like this in your download screen. Got it?
downloading. Yes.
Okay, now double click on that exe file. It will give you an pop-up. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click on yes. See, okay, one thing, you see my screen, it shows the development kit, JDK. You can see it is going to install the JDK. So that's what I was telling you. It's a development kit. Inside it, you will have JVM and JRE. Okay, click yes there. It will start installing it. You will get another screen where it says Java SC development kit setup. Did you get this one?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. Then click on next. So it will tell you like how much memory is required in your hard drive to install this one. Okay. And where it is going to install. It is going to install in your C drive program files. That will create a folder called Java under C drive program files and then JDK21. Okay. So no need to do anything. Just click on next. It's going to install. Okay. It shows a message of successfully installed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Then click on close. Done. So now your Java development kit is installed. Now what we need to do is we need to set environment variables so that we can run the programming language. Okay. So now what
Mhm.
we need to do, we need to set the environment variables. For that, what you need to do, you need to go to the exact folder location. What I said, C folder, C drive, program files. Then you can search for Java over there. Okay. So first you need to go to desktop. Where is my PC? This PC. Then there you will find this C folder. Under there you will find this program files. Okay. Program files folder under C drive. Go there. You can see there is on today's date there is a Java folder is created. Okay.
Mhm.
Go inside the Java folder. You can see JDK Java Development Kit 21. Okay. Now you have to go inside the JDK21 folder. You can see this bin folder, config, include these all things, some folders. So both of you are following my steps, right? You all are there.
Yeah.
Yes.
Naveen?
Yeah.
Okay. Now see up above, you have to copy this path. Okay. So just Control A, Control C, copy the path, C program files Java JDK21.
Okay.
Okay, copied. Then come to your start button and search for environment variable. Type there environment variable. Environment variable. Okay. You will see that edit the system environment variables. Click on open. Okay. System properties for pop-up will come. Window will come. System properties. Done.
Yes.
Done.
Yes.
Okay, then you can see there is environment variables button is there. Click there. Got it? So you can see two
Mhm.
sections over here. One is user variables, another one is system variables. The second section is system variable. Okay.
Mhm.
Mhm.
Under system variables, you can see variable name path. Select that path variable. Just do left click, path variable,
Mhm.
then click edit. Okay. Click
Yeah.
edit.
Mhm.
Okay, edit environment variable window is coming, showing over there. Click on new, cursor will point over there. You copied the path right before, just paste it, control V, paste the path over here. Okay, sorry. Did you copy it till bin folder? I have copied till 21. Sorry. Go to that JDK 21 folder again. Inside the
Mhm.
bin folder you have to go. Not till JDK 21. Inside the bin folder. Bin should be there. Copy
Mhm.
that one. Where it is. Edit. So the path should be like this. C program files Java JDK 21 slash bin. It should be like this. This is the path. If
Yes.
it is done, let me know.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Then click on OK. Then we need to verify this installation is done or not. Okay. So for that, you need to open a command prompt. Go to start again. Type command prompt cmd. Open it.
Yeah.
Okay. Here type Java space hyphen hyphen version. This is the command you have to type. Java space hyphen hyphen version. Then click on enter. It should show the Java version. It means if it is showing the Java version, your Java is installed correctly. For me, it is showing Java 21 version, runtime environment is this, Java hotspot 64-bit server, all the things are showing. Did you get
Yeah.
it?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so it means now Java is installed correctly. Okay,
Yeah.
now without IDE means either IntelliJ or Eclipse, anything, we'll write one small Java program, then we'll install IDE. Okay, so how we will do that? Go to any drive. Okay, go to any drive. I'll create a text document over here, text file, Java program. Okay, I create a file and I open this text file, that is open in a notepad. Okay, so here I'm going to write a simple code. Okay, any Java program will start with class name. Always remember. Okay, so class is the, okay, class is, first you will write the class, then the name of the class. Let us say I'm giving the name is Java program only. Java program. This is my class name I'm giving. Okay, then open curly braces, end curly braces. So inside that your code will be there. Okay, so then you will have one, I'll just showing you that the Java is installed correctly or not and the program is running fine or not. Other than that, whatever I'm writing, don't worry, I will explain everything later. Okay, public static void main, it's a main program. To run any Java program you need this line, public static void main string arguments. Okay, inside that again open curly braces, close curly braces. Okay, system dot out dot println. It is used to print any statement. Whatever you are writing inside this will print it. Means it will give you a output. Hello world I'm writing. Okay, that's it. I have just wrote a 3 line code, mainly 3 sentence code. Okay, so this is my program. I saved it. Control S. Okay, now what I need to do is I need to go to this directory where this java program.txt is saved in my command prompt to check that I am into the correct one or not. Okay, so what I will do is I'm into D directory, right? So I will do D colon. So it is going to D colon now. Then I will go to dir directory. So it will show me the directory, all the things. So is there my folder text program is there? It will actually show me whatever things are there in my D program. Java program txt file is there. Now I need to compile this Java program. Okay. So any Java program to compile means what it will do? The compiler will work here. The compiler will compile my program. My program is written in simple English language. Okay, so now when I do write a command for compiling it, it will compiler will compile this program. To compile this program, we need to use a syntax. This is the syntax java c. Okay, then file name. Okay, what is my file name? My file name is java program. Okay, java c java program. This is my file name. Okay, so then I will click on enter. uh, what I did. Class name Java program are only accepted if annotation processing is explicitly requested. One error. Where is the error? Java PROGRAM Java program 109. What is coming as a 109 over here? Okay, sorry. Java C txt file I'm not given. Java not given. No? Java program dot Java. Its extension is the Java. No, so I've not given. Why it is not taking Java C Java program dot Java. It is not taking.
Need to save that file in .java.
One second, one second. What you said?
Like, do we need to save that file in .java?
Yes, that's what I'm doing. So dot Java, save it. Now Java program, saved it. Let's run it. System dot out dot println. See, this is called syntax error. What syntax error I did? Print nt. That is the difference. That thing is, that's what it gives me the error. You can see cannot find the simple println. It became println. So that's why. So when I give now it is compiled correctly. So there is no error. Okay, if error is there, then it will show. Then what you need to do again, you have to write Java, then the file name again, Java program. Okay, so it will give me the output. What is the output? Hello world. Got it? So this way the you can run the Java program using command prompt also. Okay, so now we can see we have installed Java in our system. We run our first program through using command prompt also. Got it? Do you want to try, guys? You can try now, just for your hands-on practice. You have to try. Same thing you do. Create a txt file and write this program. Class is always used first for program. This is Java program is the class name. Inside that you will have a main method. Inside the main method, one print statement, what you want in the output. That's it. Then run through command prompt. Are you able to do it?
Yes, I did it, but it's not printing anything. Um,
Mm-hmm.
it's not printing hello message string. No error, but no error. I didn't get any error.
Can you share your screen? I'll see.
Yeah. Mm,
Okay, I need to give a permission. Okay, now try sharing screen.
Sharing the screen now.
Okay. Hmm.
So I've created the.
Go to D directory. No, you are in C. So did you create it in under the C only?
Yeah, I created in C only.
Okay.
I don't another drive, so it's
Ha ha ha. That's
documents.
fine. Okay. So under C you can see Java program dot Java. Okay. Now type Java C.
Yes.
Then space Java program dot Java. Okay. Now it compiles correctly. There is no error. Now type Java. No, no, no. Only Java. Remove
Java
it.
only Java.
Ha,
Okay.
Java space Java program. Remove dot Java also.
Okay. Got it.
Now enter. You got hello world.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Got it.
Naveen,
Okay.
what about you?
Yeah, let me share.
Okay.
I'll stop presenting.
Hmm.
Yep. I have created already. So I want to go back to D drive. What is the command?
Where you create in D drive you created.
Yeah.
So D colon, capital D colon. So you did it right. Now you are under D drive. So you
Yeah.
created under D drive, right?
Yeah, D drive under Java folder.
Okay. Then go there. CD
Okay.
CD space Java. That is the folder name, right? You have to go inside the Java folder. Okay, now you are inside that. Now, okay, now do the Java C space Java C
Yeah.
space prg.java, right? Your program name.
Yeah.
So it compiles.
Yeah.
Okay. Now Java space prg. Could not find the main class. Go. Can you go to your file, txt file, program.java, program.java, class Java program public static void main string arguments system dot out dot println. Why it is saying not found class Java. Okay, go there. The class name and the what do you have given? Sumi.
So we have to give class name
Huh,
while
the same name only.
okay. Java. Okay. So while running, we have to give a Java name.
Hmm.
I mean,
The class name you
um,
need to give. Okay.
class name. Yeah.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
Thank you.
So now you know how to run it. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, you can see my screen now. So now we have downloaded Java, right? Now our next part is to download an IDE. Okay, we need an IDE, right? Okay, before IDE, one more thing we need to do
Okay.
for system variables.
Uh,
Yeah,
I got
Karthik.
one doubt.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when you so in previous this thing, like when Naveen was trying to run, so we compile the file first with file name and then run the class name. That's what
Yes.
how we.
Yes, that's what we need to do actually.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, got it?
Got it. Got it.
Okay, fine. Next, what you need to do is one more thing we need to do here under environment variables. Can you go to environment variables, both of you? Here we need to create a new variable as well under system variables. Click on new. Here in a capital, you can type Java underscore home. Okay. Then you have to paste till a bin is not required. Okay. You just paste the path, same path, remove bin till JDK21 is required. That is the home. Okay. For ID, we need this Java home C program files Java slash JDK21. This is the variable value.
Yeah.
Okay. Then click on OK. Again click on OK. Again click on OK. So you are closing all this environment variable, system properties and everything. Three windows need to be clicked. Okay. So
Now,
we have set the Java, installed the Java in our system. Now our work is to install IDE, that is IntelliJ. For IntelliJ, what you need to go do is type in Google JetBrains. Okay. Or you just type in Google IntelliJ. IntelliJ. IntelliJ, when you type in IntelliJ, you can see www.jetbrains.com slash IDE. So go to that. So this screen you should come. JetBrains IntelliJ IDE. Here we need the community edition. Where is the community edition? Which is the open source tool, JavaScript, JTE, features, resources, team tools, download, accept all. You don't need, this one. If you click on download, we come to this IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. That is the free version, okay? Open source and free one. So we need to download for Windows. It is by default, you can see. Click on download. So thank you for downloading. Window will come.
hi, Rashmi. In between, I dropped. I don't know. Yeah.
Okay.
So I am into IntelliJ IDEA portal.
Okay.
So what is next step?
Then click on download.
Okay.
Okay. Then come to IntelliJ Community Edition. Scroll down.
Yes. IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition is there.
Then click on download.
Okay.
Done. It will start downloading. Once downloaded done, .exe file will download. Double click on the exe file. Okay, so you will get this. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your devices? Click on yes. Okay, do you got this window? Welcome to IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition setup.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, click on next. So again it will, you can see the folder. It will by default it will install you under C program files only. You will get another folder like JetBrains and the space required the things. Okay, so click on next.
Yeah.
Create a desktop shortcut, yes, check that one. Update path variable, yes, we need to, it will whatever we do for Java, no, so it will manually we did it, but here what it will do, it will do it by itself. Okay, so add bin folder to the path, then add open folder as a project, yes, then association we want a .java because we are going to write a program in .java. Okay, then
Yeah.
click on next. Okay, then click on install. No need to do, select the start menu folder to which you create can also remember, no required. Click on install, nothing required. It will take some time. It's installing, right?
Yeah. It's installed.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Once installed, you do the reboot later. Okay, don't do anything, it is a by default it is selected. Click on finish.
Yeah.
Done. Now
Yeah.
you can see in desktop one IntelliJ icon will be there. Double click on it. Okay, so here check the checkbox, I confirm that I have read and accept that one. Then click on continue. Then
So
yeah.
me, it is asking import settings. Can I
Mm-hmm.
skip that?
Show me the screen.
Yeah.
Oh, you installed PyCharm, not Java.
No, I selected Java only.
Can you go back to the download one? Thank you. Go back, one step back, browser back, browser back. You do the browser back only. Go back. IntelliJ ID. Huh, you did the correct one. Okay, now go to that where you are seeing that import one. Skip import. Welcome. Okay, fine. You selected .java right there.
Yes, yes, .java.
Okay, fine, fine. No worries. Oh, okay, don't do anything. Stay there. Okay, if you are getting this data sharing screen, don't send. So we'll get the same window like Naveen's. Welcome to IntelliJ. Okay,
Okay,
now
got it.
here both of you are getting this right.
Yeah.
Okay, click on new project. Give a name to your project. Selenium training. I'm giving SP underscore Selenium training. Okay, that's my project name I give. You can give your project name. Okay, then select Java as a project type. We have selected Java, yes. Then the JDK location. JDK location by default it will select the one which is there inside your Java. What exactly it is doing is IntelliJ is binding with the JDK now. Okay, you have installed Java where you have installed the JDK Java Development Kit. That path it is taking to build the Java program. Okay, now click on create. So it will create a project for you, and you can see the IDE which is by default one main.java code is written over here. You can see in left side that is the folder structure you can see over here under the. So up above whatever folder you are seeing, that is your project name, st-batch21, that is my project name. Under that you will have two folder, IDE and src. Src is your main folder. Okay, that is the source folder. Inside that you have one class which is by default Java program is there, that is the main.java. Okay, that's the program. You can see them. What we will do is now we'll create the same program what you have done in command prompt. Okay, so the same thing we will do over here. So I'll remove this main Java code from here. I don't want this on. Okay, so here you can see public class main, public static void main, string args. Then inside that you have to write the code. Okay, no need of do two curly braces. That's the error. Okay, see what it's showing. Okay, leave it. So what we will write here? Public class name, Then inside that, the same, you also do the same thing. Okay, don't create for now, just remove whatever is there inside the main method, remove it, and write the program.
Mhm.
What is the program we have written there? System, only one line code, system.out.println. Okay, then hello world, that's the one line code we have written there. Okay, then control s will save your code. Okay, so here I'll let you know that what we are doing over here. Okay, in command prompt you write using class, then class name you wrote, right? But here when you come to actual writing the program in IDE, there are access specifiers are there. We will discuss in our future classes what is access specifier. So there are mainly three access specifiers: public, private, protected. So always remember your class will be a public classes. So public access specifier is what here you can see. Public is the access specifier, then class is your keyword, then main is your class name. So first you will write public class main. When you are using public in your class, it means it can be accessible throughout your project. That is the use of public access specifier. When you're writing private to the class, it means it is accessible only for that class. You cannot use that class outside any of the folder of your project. Okay, so that's why it is called private. Okay, I will explain more about protected later. So public, protected, and private is the three different access specifier. Okay, so now the first line of code is, you have written access specifier given, class keyword, class name, curly braces
Mhm.
started. Then you need to write a main method. What is the main method? If you remove this main method, your program will not run. Okay, so it is basically to run your program you need a main method. Public is again a class access specifier. Static is the keyword, void is a keyword, main is your class name. Sorry, not main is a method, main method to run the program. Inside that we are giving string type arguments. Okay, so that is what the main method syntax. You have to remember the syntax, no worries. If you do hands-on practices, then you will get it used to it. Public static void main. Okay, this is the main entry point for any Java program. You have to write this line of code. Inside that, again another block will start. Your block started from here to here. That is the main method. Press Alt Enter with you at the highlighted text to see the IntelliJ ID suggest fix. Okay, letter. Oh, what fix it will give me. Okay, leave it. This is by default it is coming. Then the third line. What is this third line? It will print the text what you are writing inside the double quote. Whatever you are writing, it will print and give you in a console output. So to get it in a console output, this is the line of code: system dot out dot println. Okay, or else print. Ln means to use it for a new line. Okay, or else the code is system dot out dot println, and anything you write inside this double quote that will print. Got it? So I can see here, it here you can see like you wrote the code. Now your task is to run this code. Before running this code, IntelliJ will show you that how many errors are there, how many warnings are there in your program, everything it will show. Here it is showing me there are two errors in this program. Let's say what are the errors are there. Just click there, left click, just do left click down. You can see it shows me cannot resolve symbol string, cannot resolve symbol system, because there is, this is my first time I'm running my Java program and it is not configured yet, so that's why it is showing me this. Okay, no worries. Well, what we will do is uh, we'll reload from disk. Build the module again.
Do we need to restart machine or not required?
So checking, I'm checking the new run configuration. So now I want a Java only. So I will use a new configuration. No, I want only application build run Java. Domain class specified project. C. One second, huh? Main. It's not taking like this. Okay, let's one thing we need to do, we need to restart the system again so that it will install it correctly, because we have done all the things, it should run it. We are seeing some configuration issues. Okay, do one thing, run your systems. Okay, if you run the systems, we need to restart the system, we need to join the meeting again. Okay,
Yeah,
just restart it and join the meeting.
yeah, sure.